So the first thing you're going to do as a moderator of this GitHub repo is you're going to go over into this tab called Settings and click Manage Access, and then add anybody else that is going to be programming. So alright, and I'm going to invite this person to the repository, and you can see in their email they got an email, and all they have to do is accept the invitation. So click View Invitation and Accept Invitation. There you go. Now you are on a different on the contributor's account, but they can also see the GitHub. Alright, so on your Android Studio, you'll see in this top left corner, or in this top left toolbar right here, VCS. This stands for Version Control System, which is what Git is. Okay, go down to this Git bar, and then click on Branches. Alright, so this is what we're going to use GitHub collaboratively. Branches are a way to help you make changes without actually changing the main branch, which is what, if you pull from, what you normally pull from. Okay, so we're going to create a new branch, and the name of this new branch is going to be, I don't know, let's just say test for now. Alright, and okay, so now we are on the branch test. So any change we make, commit, and push to the branch test will not make any changes to the GitHub repository, the main branch. So I'm just going to edit this file here to show that. So this is a local edit. Alright, and to make that global, we just click commit. And I'm going to change readme.md, and we're going to commit and push. Alright, so you can see up here, it's actually, normally it would say test origin and then master right here, but now it says test, right? Because we're pushing to a different branch. And you can see if we go into GitHub, we can see there is another branch called test. Alright, and in this README file, you can see there is our change. This is a local edit. But if we go into the main branch, our edit is not there. So to make that change there, you click on pull requests. You're going to create a new pull request, and this is the branch that you're going to make a request to pull from, right? So you're making a request to pull from a branch onto the main branch. So we're going to make a request to pull from the branch test. Okay, and then create pull request, and this is just a message. You would want to leave just a detailed message here about what you changed and why people should accept the change. Create pull request. And for simple changes like this, you can automatically merge that pull request. So you can merge pull request and then confirm merge. Now we can see in code, now on the main branch, our edit has been made. So let's consider another scenario where someone made this change to a file, but in another branch you wanted to make a different change, right? If you commit those are going to be, if you merge those are going to be conflicting. So if we go ahead and make a new pull request and click create pull request, you can see we can't merge this automatically. So we can click resolve conflicts, and you can see these red lines show us where those conflicts are, right? So if we just have to delete those lines. Now you may want to delete more, right? But you can see you can keep both changes, or you can keep whatever you want. You can add. This is your freedom to do, whatever you want, whatever you're going to make your team happy. But once you're done with your changes, you can click Mark as Resolved and Commit Merge. And you can see here, now we can automatically merge that pull request. Okay, and confirm merge. And there we go. It's all set, and we are now merged. That's how you use GitHub collaboratively with your team. Please like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If there's anything that you can give us tips on, please leave that down in the comments below.